Okay, evaluation for the computer workstation. You can observe the students working on the computers. You can also have them print off any work that they complete so that you can see what they have accomplished. There are materials that can be utilized in this workstation that can accommodate any level reader. The pocket with the poetry workstation, which is right here, the children can read a poem. They can read a poem to a friend, illustrate a poem, fill in the blanks by having lines of a poem with blanks so the child can figure out what belongs there. They can build a poem, change a poem, copy a poem, listen to a poem, write a poem. They can make a poem with magnetic words. They can find special words or kinds of words in a poem. They can read about poets. They can find a pattern in a poem, and then they can compare two poems, and they can memorize and perform a poem. The materials needed for this one, you can have examples of poems, books of poems created by the class, paper and pens, charts with examples of poems, pocket charts for sentence strips with lines from poems. The setup. This workstation can be positioned in a corner of the classroom with a couple of desks available for writing upon. A chart with poems can hang on a nearby wall, as well as a pocket chart for rhyming practice. Plastic tubs can hold poetry books for children to look through. Evaluation. You can assess the students through observation. You can have them collect the poems that they write in their poetry journal. You can also construct a classroom poetry book by taking one piece of work from each of the students. Okay, the handwriting workstation. That's an example of that one. Children can practice writing letters with a pencil, practice writing letters with a pen, use a dry erase pen on a practice board, copy a poem for handwriting practice, teach a partner how to make a letter, use stencils and trace letters, trace a letter over and over again in different colors to make a rainbow letter, use letter formation cards. Materials. They need pencils, different colored pens and paper, dry erase board with dry erase markers, sheets with short stories or poems for copy and practice, stencils, letter formation cards. Setup. This workstation can be created in any corner of the classroom with a couple of desks. A dry erase board can be positioned in this area for the children to practice on. Charts with the ABCs should be available so children can practice writing words correctly. Evaluation. Evaluation can be done through observation. Students can also turn in their practice sheets so that they can go over their work and provide any additional practice and concentrate on their weaker areas. This workstation can be modified for use with every level reader. And there you have it, my 6 different literacy workstations that I did for this project. Thanks for watching.